Hello everyone. Welcome to ServiceNow Taxi by Dinesh Kumar Raghu. This week, as I promised last week, I'm going to start a new what can I call new series related to the freshers actually. So how to start service now, how to start learning actually service now. From where we need to start actually is the way how to use the personal developer instance, how to create that, from where we need to start. So this is what we are going to start today in the new series of ServiceNow YouTube channel. So it is ServiceNow Taxi by Dinesh Kumar Raghu. I'm quickly sharing my screen without wasting any time here. Okay, this is our YouTube channel, everybody. ServiceNow Taxi by Dinesh Kumar Raghu. And I'm going to create a new playlist here related to the from scratch how to start ServiceNow learning as a development or else as an admin. So how to, from where we need to start. So what all modules will be there and what all we need to know actually. So I'm going to start and creating a new series here in the new playlist. And this is our Instagram channel, which is related to the same thing, whatever I'm uploading here. And I'm also uploading in Instagram. It is for the better convenience to us. I mean, as many of people addicted to the Instagram, instead of seeing some other videos, we can able to see same videos in the Instagram as well. So quickly, I'm going to start that how to how to start ServiceNow learning, how to create personal developer instance first of all. So if anybody is not having the personal developer instance, we need to sign up with here, sign up and start building from the developer.servicenow.com dev. Okay, note down this developer.servicenow.com. For example, if I am opening the this new window, we just need to developer service now. We just need to enter the developer service now. Automatically, develop service now developers site will open here from here. After opening this, we just need to click on the sign up. Okay, as I'm already having the URL, so it is taking me to the different place. But generally, it is if it is developer.servicenow.com, we can click on that. Okay. Okay, this is what homepage. If you scroll down a little bit, the homepage will open here. Once we entered the developer service now, if you scroll down, service now developers home /home will be there. So if you go there, this page, whatever I said, right, this page will open. There we can create a sign up and start building. When we are creating that, the records, for example, these are sample records, which is automatically showing here. So we can remove this. Okay, the details here we need to enter first name, last name, email, country, password, and everything enter. So for your scale, I'm just entering some details here, like Dinesh Raghu is my last name, and email ID dineshsnow9426@gmail.com. I'm from India. Password we can keep whatever is required, and it should match with that all the cases we need to match. So details we need to enter and it should match with the confirm password and all. I'm not a robot. We can click on this and sign up. Once we are clicking this, right, the instance will sign up. Once it is done, I think it will ask the verification here. Okay. Don't see an email after 10 minutes. They are saying so. Meanwhile, we just need to open our Gmail ID. Click on this. So we will receive an email from this. Okay, we received email ID here. verify your ServiceNow ID. I'm just clicking on the verify email. It will automatically redirect to this. And here we will see that the email is verified. Once it is done, automatically it will sign in with our ID. And here it will ask some question when you started with the scratch. So it will ask some question, how it is your experience and all. Uh, I need a developer-oriented IDE and or else I need a guided experience. I'm just a developer-oriented. I'm just telling what best describes your job responsibility. It is saying. I'm just saying that IT admin, and I'm just clicking on this and finishing setup. Later, you can see this page. Okay. Once you are clicking on the request instance, it will take some time. At least some time it will take. Once it is instance is open and instance is ready, we can clicking on the start building. Okay. So the instance is ready here. So once login sign up is done and once email verification is completed, it will redirect to this page and we need to click on the request instance. Once request instance is done, after a few minutes, start building option will come. Once the start, when we click on the start building here, and the URL of instance we can see here. Okay. So we got a new instance for our own email ID. This is called a personal developer instance. Once we install that, so it will some of the options ServiceNow made that we should know that. So what is menu? What is the how to pin that? So these type of things ServiceNow made us to know that. Okay. So if you see here, this is what menu. Okay. And when you're clicking on that, how to pin, how to color. So add favorites to easily to get back again. So how to click on how to add it in the favorites. So these all I will explain that. Yeah, now as a fresher you won't be understand what all that when it is started only. Okay. Now coming to the point. So now how you logged in? My first question here. So how you logged in? That is we will get. So what actually this is instance? Why this system administrator is there when we logged in? So when we created our personal developer instance, okay, automatically, when we created a personal developer instance, automatically ServiceNow will create a admin account. Admin means it's a high level access in the instance. Admin means it's a high level access in the instance. Remember that. Okay. So with the admin, we can modify end to end in the instance apart from the security related things. For that, we need to have a security underscore admin role. For that, roles and everything I will cover in the next topics. But first, we'll try to understand. So what is admin? It's a user account. So that means for example, you need to log into laptop. Okay. For that, one account should be there. You can create a multiple accounts there to log into your laptop. That means multiple user account, multiple accounts you are creating for the laptop there. The same way, so this URL can be shared to across whoever is working in your company, and there depends on their responsibilities. We will give a roles. The roles topic I will cover later, but depends on that we will create a user account. So that will come under the system administrator. Okay. I'm just covering the first topic is users. Okay, first topic actually already covered how to create a PDA. My second topic is after installing the all the things related to the instance, how to start, what you should know first. So you should know about system administrator. Okay, you should know more about system administrator. Okay, so you need to type here user administrator. So it's a system admin is the user account. You need to type here user administrator. So when you are clicking on the user administration, and you can see here users module as users. Actually, I am explaining this in the latest version of Washington. Okay, so it will be useful. Whoever is preparing just from recent days, it will be very helpful when you are starting learning in the Washington DC release instance. Okay, so I started explaining about the users. So whenever you are, it's a already out of the box user. I mean, some sample users already ServiceNow created and given to us. It's not created by us actually. So what is users? So when your instance is created, for example, I'm just entering here. When you want to search something, you need to click on here, search, and enter here. Otherwise, you can search even here as well. If you want to search with the user ID here. So their columns will be there. I will try to explain that now. Now, first, I'm trying with the admin user ID. But as I told you before, when you want to log into the system or else laptop, some user ID you need to enter, correct? And password you need to enter. The same way, when you're trying to log into the instance, you need to enter their user ID and along with that password also. So actually, when ServiceNow created an instance, the main thing is user ID. So that user ID is admin. So when we click here on the start building, why? Because it is automatically login. If you see here, automatically the password is sharing here. So that is the reason it is logging in automatically. For example, the same URL, I'm just opening it in the private browser. Okay, I'm just opening it in the private browser. Then it will ask your user ID and password to log into the instance. Okay, that means that user, whatever you are entering in the username, that user should be present in the instance. Then you can able to log into the instance. For example, my user ID is admin and password, as it is a personal PDA instance, the ServiceNow will give password here only, manage instance password, and here it is a password. I'm opening telling later I will change, don't worry here. But we should not share passwords to anybody as an admin account. I'm highlighting that you should not share password to anybody, as before releasing this video in the YouTube, I will change my account password. Okay, don't worry about that. But you should not share your own password to anybody if you're working for the client. And if you're working in the some other instance, and mainly if it is PDA also, you should not share your password to any other. Okay, now I'm able to log in by clicking login by using the user ID and password. Okay, this is what I said. For that, we need a user account. Okay, doing any action, any type of action also, we need a first thing is user ID. Okay, in the user account, what all options will be there? I just opened one user account, so you will get to know all about this. Okay, user ID. User ID means it's a unique key in the ServiceNow. Unique key in the ServiceNow. When you are creating accounts, automatically user ID should be not same as, again, one more, if you are creating, it should not be same. Okay, and you can give your first name, you can give your last name, and you can give your email ID. Okay, your company email ID. When you are creating account, company will create account, which language you are using. So we can install plugins for the multiple languages. It's again different topic. So currently out of the box, it will be available as English. Okay, we can select your language as well. What time zone? As per out of the box, default time zone will be America, Los Angeles. But if you are different time zone, you can select to the different time zone. Okay, for example, if you want to select the GMT, you can select the GMT. So like that, you can able to select anything. If you are part of Eastern, US Eastern, you can select Eastern. It's a time zone. And date format. What default system means, by default system is giving year, month, and date. If you want to change the date format for your account specifically, you can change that date format as well. And you can give the business phone, and also you can give the mobile phone as well here. Okay. Uh, I explained about the some of the columns. Okay, but apart from that, we will be having the inside so many columns. Okay, for example, we have a department, company, which company you are from, department. Okay, and also you are from which country, which city, location it is. Okay, these all. Some most of the columns will be there. Once you started working on this, you will dig on this and you will get to know many of the things. But the basics, what you required, who is your manager, okay, what is your middle name, these all things also you can able to enter. So which is required, I'm just trying to explain about this, and I'm just saving this. Okay, so now see, you are from the finance department. For this reference, again, I will tell you about the columns again related to the reference and all. But basic thing is, what is the department? Department is, you are from which department? HR department, IT department, or else you are from technical department. So something development department depends on that. You can finance department, something you can enter your own department details here in the your own user account. Okay, and some companies instance will use by the different some organization will use instance by the different companies. So basically, you are from which company? So these details also, I am from some so and so company. That details also you can enter here, and also country code, which country you are from. So here the available details are here. We can add some more country codes as well, but currently I can enter like United States, like that. And in that, which city you are from, you can enter your own city details, and who is your manager, that details also you can add here. Okay, and middle name in the form you, this is called as form you. There is no middle name option, it's a first name and last name. You can also add the middle name of your user account, even that also you can add. Okay, one thing is, if you joint first name last name, that will become as name, system admin. For example, I'm just entering system admin account, I'm just adding in the middle name. Okay, now I'm just refreshing admin account. See, it's not modified anything here. Okay, so the name will contain the first name and last name. That is what you need to remember always. Okay, I hope I'm going very slow, and really it should be understand to you people as a freshers, or else who is new to service. No, people, you people need required to understand about this user account. Not about that, everything from the scratch. I will go really step by step process slowly, and definitely you people should understand, then only I will feel happy. And please try to contact if you people are not understanding anything about this. Okay, now coming to, now user account is done. Okay, now user is available now, and if you slowly scroll down, if you see here roles, the some roles is already added out of the box for my user account. For example, in your organ, I'm an admin, I should be having end-to-end access, that is fine. But in your access, in your company, some 10 profiles is there. 10 profiles means you want to create a 10 user accounts here. In the 10 user accounts, one user is from the different. One user will handle the tickets. One user will handle the just managing approvals. Okay, and one more user is again he want to work on as admin again. Okay. This type of one user want to, he is a customer, I mean he's an end user, he should not be having any roles. Okay, this type of things also will be there without any roles, and some rules if you are roles also we can give. So this type of activity also will be there. So what is roles actually? Okay, when you want to handle end to end part, that will come under the admin account, you can give the admin role here. Okay, you just need to go to the edit here. You can click on edit. Just loading time. See here, already admin and security admin is already there. This is the high level access, security admin. And admin is also overall end-to-end activity. Apart from the security related things, remaining all things can be covered in the admin account. You will definitely understand what my words I'm using, whatever words, if you are following the next videos, what really I'm using, what is security related, what is security admin role. In the next videos, automatically you will get to know, and you will start practicing about this. Okay, this is what I just want to cover. Okay, admin account. For example, okay, I want to create a new user account. Okay, with the some X role which needs to be handled only tickets. Okay, ITIL, ITIL. I will just give the test. Okay, test at the rate of example.com, which is the very important things I just filled. So ITL is C, I told, right? ITL is the user ID, is the unique key validation will be there. If you are entering the which is already available in the instance, if you are creating again, it won't take. Okay, I'm just giving extra one. I'm just creating again here user ID. Good, it got that. Why? Because record has been invalid update. It is okay. I'm going back again. I'm creating ITIL1, ITIL test. Here also I will give test underscore ITIL test at the rate of example.com. I'm just saving this record. Okay, now it's saved because previously it is asked about the unique key validation. That is the reason it's not able to create. Why? Because same user ID should not be present in the instance. Whenever we are creating with the same user ID, it will ask the unique key validation and it will reject creation of user account. Now coming to roles, he should be able to handle only tickets. Tickets and all. What about tickets and all? I will try to explain in the next sessions. For now, I'm telling you ITIL. Okay, coming to ITIL, he can able to handle all the tickets related to incident, request, change, all the related tickets. He can able to work on that. For example, we will raise some issue on when we are using the Amazon app, or else when we are using some X application, Geo application, or any OTT apps. We will raise a complaint. One ticket will create, and we will receive a one service account number. That ticket should work by somebody. So those people are the backend who will work on the tickets. So that is what I'm saying, the ITL. The ITL user here, it is a service person who will help when somebody, end user. For example, if we are raising issue with the Geo app or else G application, any OTT applications, when we will raise that, we will come under the end users. We are raising the complaint, which is not, I'm not able to work on this with so and so reasons. We will raise a complaint and we'll receive a ticket number. That ticket will work, right? Somebody that outside, that guy is related to the ITIL user. We can think like he is the ITIL user. Example. So that ITIL user will work on the ticket and he will give us the update, what is there. So I need to work with the developer or else what I should do. So and so things he will work on that and he will come back to this. I'm just saying this is sample example there. We can use in the multiple ways about this. Okay. This is a just sample example I'm just saying. Okay. So I give an ITIL user. So once I give an ITIL user, if you observe, I just give an ITIL user. But if you observe in the ITL underscore test, 41 extra roles created. Why it is created, I will explain. For example, I just opened a role here. So we can click from the user profile also, or else you can also open user account. You can also open role here, roles. You can just type roles. And if you scroll down in the here, user roles also there. And also here roles directly in the system security, roles also directly available. When you open the roles and if you're typing just ITIL here, automatically your role will open here. If you see here, as per the out of the box description about this, can perform standard actions for the ITL help desk technician. This is the out of the box technician role. Can open, update, close instance, problems, changes, configuration management items. Out of the box, only users with the ITL role can have task assigned to them. So when he is having the ITL role, then only he can assign tickets to himself, or else the other people also can assign tickets to him only when he is having the ITL role. So I told, right, some other roles why we got. So if you see here, ITL will be having contains roles. Other roles also will be there. So related to that, I will discuss about this coming days. Automatically, you will able to understand, but start dig on this and try to explore, play in the instance. So you will get to know more things here. Okay. This is about the role. Okay. Role means I just want to explain the meaning of the role actually mainly. So later, what all roles will be there and what role useful for the what all the things. So you will understand automatically. Okay, that is what I want to say. So user will be there to log in, and user also what work he should do depends on the role. It will get to know. That is also there. And now coming to the next thing is groups. Users can be part of multiple groups. Groups means, for example, I am a part of admin group. I also want to work on the development. Okay. I will be available in the service desk group, also development group. Group means group of people which will contain related to the work. One specific work group, we can create a specific group. For example, one of the group we can think, not only that, you can think like approval group. For example, some end user raised a complaint about my TV is not working, I want a replacement. There, if you are, it will create a ticket and it will assign to the one service desk person, but he cannot approve. In the his manager or else the above person should be able to approve. Then only they can give the replacement of TV to you. So the approval. So the set of people, for example, one person may be on leave, another person should be able to approve. So set of people can be approved from the one group. Okay, that is also, it's about the group. So groups from where you can go. If I go here, just type the groups in the left. This will call as the left navigation. We just need to click on that and left navigation test. So groups, if you see here, system security, users and groups. So this will call as a groups. For example, if I am opening this first group, this is a group. Okay, you can create from by using new also. I just opened the existing one. Okay, the group name is Analytics Settings Manager. Group for all people who have analytics admin role. Just sample, I'm just taking this example. And now you need to assign some users for this group. I'm just clicking on edit. I just went to scroll down. This will call as related list and it is group members. If you're clicking on edit here, it will redirect to the user table. We can select the user from here. For example, we created a ITIL test user. See here, ITIL test user. We can select this person and also my user account as an admin. I can also select system administrator. See, system administrator. So this is what user account we can select. So in this way, you can add a group of people in one group. So group member can part of multiple groups. Role can be assigned to the multiple users. Role also can be assigned to the group. Role also can be directly assigned to the users. Okay. And if we open the role, if you open the role, in the role, we can observe who all users also there. For example, not from here, we have a one more view. Okay. Users. Okay. Sorry. Roles, just type roles. See, if you see here, user roles, if you are clicking on that, so roles, what all roles and who is having. For example, I just open the roles and admin role is having to the 17 users. These all 17 users is having admin role. Okay, so what all roles is we are having and who all accessing with that. So these also we can go with the user roles, and one more option also we are having groups members. Okay, here if you scroll down, group members. Okay, see, if you see here, not this, I'm so sorry. Yeah, if system secretary user group, see, groups from here. If you open the groups, okay, and group roles. For example, if you go here, roles, we are talking about the roles, right? So in the group roles, you can see which group is having which role. For example, analytics admin is role is having to the analytics settings manager group. So this way we can able to select about the group roles. We need to go to the user administrator and group roles it is. So everything we can search here, like if you want to roles, just we need to go here and type the roles. If you want to go to the user profile, users. Okay, groups. We just need to scroll down and we need to identify where it is located. So if you want to try to understand the topics about this, you just rewind and see the videos, you will try to understand. So this is what I just want to explain. And one more thing, if I'm coming to the next topic is in the user profile, I told that department and location and company. So for that also we have a separate table that look, for example, if I want to user, we need to assign user to the one location. So we have a separate table that locations data. So these are the locations, and this will call as a table name. CMN underscore location will come under the table name, and this the records will store in this table. And this is the table records, whatever is there. And for example, I have opened and showed to you what all columns available in the user profile. The same way in the location also, what all columns is available. If you open that, you will get to know for one location record what all. For example, name of the location, state of the location, city, state, zip, country, contact, phone, fax, parent, latitude, longitude, full name. So these all details will be available in one location. So, and for example, now I will go to the one user profile. Okay. I'm going to the user profile in the list view. I'm just closing as it become many records. Okay. Now I'm just opening the user profile from the list view. Okay. Now I just want to see location column here. To see here, location column also available. I'm just taking this all how to operate these columns and all. I will explain in the next session. We are just concentrating on while logging to the instance, how we are able to log in, and what is a user account and what is related to the user and user profile related. I'm trying to explain, and whatever remaining things, whatever I'm handling like regarding personalized list and all, I will try to cover in the next session. If you are not missing my sessions, definitely it will be helpful. Why means whatever I'm using the pronunciation, definitely it is going to cover in the next sessions. So you will understand. So don't worry about that. Whatever I'm doing here, you just concentrate on today. What is user profile? What is roles? What is groups and locations, departments, and a company? These are the details you should know for today. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now in the user profile, if you see here location. So if just I'm double clicking on uh, this empty box, and it is seeing a search icon. So when you are clicking on the search icon, it will redirect to the CMN location table. As I explained before, the table name call as the CMN location, whatever location table we have opened before. From here, we just need to click on the locations. It will open the locations. Here also you can open, here also you can open, anywhere. It will redirect to the same page. Okay. So locations, when you're typing, it will come. This table in the user profile linked with the user profile. Okay. The locations is reference to the location table. Okay. Uh, if I'm clicking on this search button, it is redirected to the locations, and I can select the user account here. Automatically, the location will select here. Understood? The same way, we will be having the company data in the company table. For that company also, we are having a separate table. I'm trying to open here now. You just need to go in the left navigation, type company. Okay. Sorry, companies. We need to type a companies. Okay. Here is the companies, and here are all the details of the companies, and table name of the company is score underscore company. Okay. So this is the way you will understand the company details, and you can able to wherever that, for example, I just joined and my company details are available in the company table. For my profile, it's not linked. So you can go and link here by using the company details here. It's a reference to the company table for the user table. Same thing with the department also. For the department also, we are having the separate table. The table name called as CMN department. Okay. In the left, the data is not available currently. I'm just going to the departments table. I will show here. Just departments. If you see here, departments available, you can open here. And these are the departments, the data, and it's a depends on the configuration also, it will be there. For example, now this profile, we don't have the department, right? I'm just opening this profile, and here the department is not there. It's because of the department details is not present because of some uh, in depth. I will try to explain, but for now, what is the cause of this, why it is not coming, I will try to cover here. Okay. Here the details of this. Okay. Department. It's still loading. It is. See, in the department, it is depends on the company. Okay, if the department is related to that company, then automatically it will show as this user, whatever user we have opened, that the user is having the company. So that is the reason it is not populating. For example, if I am removing this, the company, now if I'm seeing here, it may visible. See, the departments are visible. So it is related to the company. Now, if you go and open the company, see the company details came. I just saving this. Okay, it is related to the company. Okay, now department, location, company data. So department is having the separate table that is will come under CMN underscore department. The table name is. Location will come under the different table, and that will come under the CMN underscore location. And company table is different. So that the table name is core underscore company. So these three is a reference to from the user profile. These three are reference to their own tables. Okay, actually this will call as a table. The data is the columns is creating in the table, and the table data is storing in the separate tables. Every separate tables, the data is storing in their own way. So now users, groups, roles, departments, location, company. So whatever the main required data related things tables, I try to explain here. Definitely I will try to what is tables, what is columns, what is this personal list, what we should know from the scratch. I will try to cover in the future topic, and please try to comment me or else try to post to my email dineshno9426@gmail.com regarding your questions. If I'm going little fast, just try to let me know, or else if it is make sense and it is really understanding to you people, try to confirm to me, so it will be easy to us. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I will come back with again in the second session with the understanding topic. I will make sure you people should be able to understand like that. I will make sure to try to explain about the topics related to this, and try to follow every video. Don't miss and don't click on the forward. When I'm trying to explain, try to implement in your instance. For example, in this video, I make sure that how to create the instance and what is the users, groups, roles, and how to assign each and everywhere. I try to explain. So practice yourself. So it will be benefit to you as a freshers or else as a startup of the as a new to the ServiceNow people. So definitely it is going to be benefits. It should be mainly hands-on. So that is what my main thing. Okay, try to understand and start practicing. Definitely the good career will be there with the ServiceNow, and it won't go anywhere. The ServiceNow growth is very well, and in the market as well. Definitely, you people will feel proud when you start working on the ServiceNow in the company. Okay, and thank you so much, guys. I will come back with a very good topic in the next session, and I will upload this video in the YouTube. So it as a separate series in the YouTube channel. Definitely, it is going to be helpful. Try to follow and subscribe my channel in the YouTube, ServiceNow Techsy by Dinesh Kumar Raghu, and in the Instagram also it is available, ServiceNow Techsy by Dinesh Kumar Raghu. So these are the two channels. This is the YouTube and this is the Instagram channel, and definitely this is going to be helpful to you. Don't miss even single video also. Definitely how I learned from the scratch, the same way I will teach you. Definitely it will be helpful. Thank you so much, guys. Signing off. Dinesh Kumar Raghu. Bye.